I'm going to get shouted at now. I think I've overfilled it. Oh dear guys, I think I'm going to get in trouble now. Oh. Yep.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh. I've been caught, guys, but she's not saying anything.
I can't believe you've done that. That's Sean. How much have you put in?
Not telling you.
It's going to form out the top of the machine. Isn't it? Am I being filmed?
Yes. It's not going to fall out. I've put hot water in.
And how many rinse cycles am I going to have to do now to get rid of all that soap?
The washing's not even in. Look it
What's
out.
inside?
My hankies. You can tell me off if you want.
What's the point?
What?
What's the point?
Get that. Oh dear guys, I'm in big trouble now. That's the top. Well,
Well, nothing. Camera.
well, I don't mind people walking in front of me camera as long as there's...
What do you want?
Right, got any chicken burgers? I mean, normal beef burgers.
Normal.
Yeah.
You can have them, I'll get one of the boys.
I think there's oil on this door, you know. We need a new washer door on it, I think. You alright? Are you mad at me for doing this?
No, I'm used to it.
Well, this is the second time I've done it, isn't it, in years?
I used to do it a lot.
No, I did it in the old Zanussi last time. Done it in this one before, but not this high. I can get the door open, no problem with all that.
Look at the washing machine.
Hey?
You can spoil the washer doing that.
Well, then that might teach you to bring the old one home. My old Hotpoint electronic plus 9534. Will you let me bring that home?
No,
What?
definitely not.
What do you... I wouldn't have took this chance, guys, in my old Hotpoint 9536W. That definitely would have buggered it up. So now you've heard, she won't let me bring home the 9534. Right, I think I'll switch off again now and try and get some of this suds out, and I'll come back on when I've drained it to maybe back to the middle of the door.
Full washing basket.
What? Go on, tell.
Turn it on.
No, carry on.
And that is going to take about 3 or 4 rinse cycles in it to get rid of all those suds at least.
I don't know we do.
No, because you'll leave me to sort out the mess once you've filmed your silly little cycle, won't you?
No, I won't. I'll do it. I know what I'm doing. Do you think I'm going to let it pee through the top of the drawer?
No, but then it's going to be full of stuff when I'm trying to put my washing in.
No, it won't. Don't worry about that. So I told you guys, I think I'm in trouble. Go on, say something.
You're all a set of loonies.
Hey! Might get bad comments on that now.
Edit that bit then, won't you? Can you put dirty washing on top of wet washing?
No, there was nothing there.
No.
I just piled it there. I wouldn't put it there, would I, otherwise? I'll put it on the wash cycle that fills right up to the middle of the door.
Oh my God, it's 5 to 1.
And this time it's gone right to the middle of the door.
Very well.
Oh, I'm going to get shouted at now. I think I've overfilled it. Oh dear, guys, I think I'm going to get in trouble now. Oh. Yep.
Oh my God.
What? Oh. I've been caught, guys, but she's not saying anything.
I can't believe you've done that. That's Sean. How much have you put in?
Not telling you.
It's going to form out the top of the machine. Isn't it? Am I being filmed?
Yes. It's not going to form out. I've put hot water in.
And how many rinse cycles am I going to have to do now to get rid of all that soap?
The washing's not even in. Took it
What's
out.
inside?
My hankies. You can tell me off if you want.
What's the point?
What?
What's the point?
Get that. Oh dear, guys, I'm in big trouble now. That's well.
Well, nothing.
Right, hopefully, if your battery lasts, let's see what happens now if it tries to spin with a big suds in it. Yeah, ooh, that's a big turn now, we've got out of that. I think they're finally dissolving. We've still got some suds down there at the bottom, but it is distributing. But we're going to get a spin. Oh, there we go. And there it stops.
You should send that to Sudsey Mistress.
I don't think she's on anymore. I think in future I'm not going to be allowed anywhere near the washing machine if I bugger it up like this, or balls it up with a lot of suds in it. Come on, washer, I need you to do another spin just before my battery runs out. Well, now she stops. Don't know if this big spin's going to get all the suds out. We'll soon find out. now she stops. But we've still got quite a bit of suds in there. Anyway, I'm going to pack, in half an hour if it's not clean guys, I'm going to have to pack my bags and move out, she says.
But it was a joke?
No, I was hoping you mean it.
Right, keep it door,
Go on then. Well, got a really big suds lock here, guys, on this spin. This isn't the 1200 spin yet, so I'm just waiting for it to stop and then do the 1200 burst. So if I don't get it cleaned in half an hour, I'm going to have to pack my bags and leave. I do wish my mother would mean it though, because I would rather move out at home and then I can get my old dream Hotpoints back in and the Hoover Logics. Oh, here we go, it's slowing down now. So when it shoots up to the 1200 burst, let's see what happens. Whether or not, I don't think that spin's got most of the bubbles out now actually. So we're slowing down now with the big sud bubbles on the door, and now we're going to go to the 1200 burst. So let's see now if we get any more big bubbles on the door when it shoots up in a second. Probably taking a bit because it's only got small, about 3 or 4 small items in, so it's doing a long distribution. Here we go. Well, that's not too bad at all, that, guys. Most of them have gone. It's not as fast as the old Hotpoints. It's not like kind as fast as me 9536W and me 9534. Well, then again, it's still in my washer. These bubbles are just dancing around the door while it spins. So it's the end of the spin now, but we've still got big bubbles on the door. What I'll do now, while my mum's gone out, I'll put it on the same wash program again and let it fill up and see how much bubbles we get this time while I put my battery on charge, and then I'll switch it back on. There's my coloured hankies in there. Right, I'll come back on in a bit.